In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reinstall OneDrive. If OneDrive has been acting up, not syncing correctly, or seems missing, a clean reinstall is a quick way to get everything back on track. Don't worry, this process won't delete files stored in the cloud. Anything already uploaded to OneDrive online stays safe. Local copies in your OneDrive folder will be reconnected after reinstall, and unsynced changes will try to upload again once you're signed in. We'll start by removing the current installation. Open the Windows Settings app, then go to Apps. In Windows 11, choose Installed Apps. In Windows 10, it's called Apps and Features. Scroll through the list or use the search box to find Microsoft OneDrive. When you see it, select it or click the three dots beside it and choose Uninstall. Confirm any prompts that appear. If OneDrive is running, you might see a message asking you to close it. Go ahead and let Windows handle that. Uninstalling is quick, and after it finishes, OneDrive should disappear from the app list. If you keep the File Explorer window open, you may still see your OneDrive folder, but the app itself is removed. That's normal. Now let's reinstall using the official website, which is the recommended method. Open your web browser and navigate to the official OneDrive download page on Microsoft's website. Make sure the page is from Microsoft so you're getting the genuine installer. Click the download button to get the OneDrive setup.exe file. When the download completes, open the file. If Windows asks for permission to make changes, select yes. The installer will run, and most of the process is automatic. You might not see many prompts, but if you do, follow them as they appear. Once the installation finishes, OneDrive typically launches on its own. You'll see a setup window guiding you to sign in and choose your preferences. This is where OneDrive reconnects to your account and your files. Take a moment to confirm your OneDrive folder location and check that syncing starts as expected. If you had files pending upload before, they should begin syncing shortly. You can monitor progress by selecting the OneDrive Cloud icon in the notification area. That's it. Uninstall completed, fresh install applied, and OneDrive ready to sync. If you run into any issues, double check you use the official installer and that your internet connection is stable. Thanks for watching and enjoy a clean, fully working OneDrive.